Turning ideas into digital reality.
Subscribe, like, and share.
Now, the next thing we want to do is to install Git. So we have to search for Git download for Windows. Now, we click on this one. We choose the operating system, which is Windows over here. Now, we want to download the standalone installer, but we have to check whether our PC is x64 or ARM64. For this case, you press on the Windows key plus R, then you search for MSIN FO32, then OK. Now, you look for the system type, and over here it is x64. So over here we have to download the x64 setup, but since I have it, I'll pause it. Now we want to install Git. So what you have to do is to locate where you downloaded it to, then double click on it. Now over here you have to agree on the terms. So next, and here too you have to proceed next, then next. Now over here you let Git decide. So you go for it. Then here you allow Git from command line and also from third-party softwares. So you check that one and click on next and use bonded open SSH. Then move on. Then over here use native Windows secured channel library. Next. Then you check out Windows star, omit Unix star line endings. Then use min_tty. Then password or made. Next. Then you install. So after that, you have to check whether it is properly installed. So you search for command prompt and type in git dash version. If you see something like this, it means it's successfully installed.
Subscribe, like, and share.